Nursing is an art and a science. The nursing profession, like other careers, has undergone many changes. So, I would like to go in detail regarding the historical development in nursing.
International Nurses Day is an international day observed around the world on 3rd May, the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth. Perhaps the world's most famous nurse was born. She was an English nurse, a social reformer, and also she found the key pillars of modern nursing. The International Council of Nursing is celebrated this day since 1965. Each year, the International Nurses Day prepares and distributes the International Nurses Day kit. The kit contains education and public information materials. Each year, Nurses Day is celebrated with a theme which contributes to the development of nursing and healthcare system. The theme for this year 2021 is Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future health.
Of International Nurses Day. Aimed to the horrific coronavirus pandemic, nurses are the backbone of the hospital and clinics, taking care of the millions of COVID-19 patients for months, putting their lives at risk. International Nurses Day is a great opportunity to express our deep gratitude of them. Nurses are the forefront of fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. Like doctors and other healthcare workers, nurses are continuously provide high-quality care, often working without a break. Nurses are often the only health professional that people see in crisis situation. According to the WHO, nurses account for than half of all the health workers. Yet there is an urgent shortage of nurses worldwide, with 5.9 millions of more nurses still needed, especially in low and middle income countries.
International Nurses Day is observed to appreciate all nurses, their commitment and effort, especially during the prevailing coronavirus pandemic. Nurses perform an imperative role in our medical establishment, such as providing safety or aid in the healing of.
The lady with lamp, Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, was started working as a nursing in charge in British and Allied soldiers injured during the Crimean War. She was spent most of her time for caring and comforting the injured one, often late into the night. She was the first to establish a formal training program for the nurses. The first nursing school, the Florence Nightingale School of Nursing, was inaugurated in London in 1866. Florence Nightingale was a key figure in setting up a training program for the midwives as well. She was the first woman who was awarded the Order of Merit in 1970.
Nursing is a monolithic occupation. It is a diverse field of multiple specialization spanning the lifetime of a human being, from taking care of the unborn to giving the end of life care. The primary goal of a nurse is to deliver the most optimal medical and health care to those under their charge with the utmost compassion.
Team encourage nurses and the public to celebrate the big day, but also provide information resources that will help to raise the profile of the profession throughout the year and attract a new generation into the nursing.
Rapid and undetected spread of this COVID-19 has created this current pandemic crisis, which has impacted greatly on health, economic and social life on a global scale. Massive medical manpower and resource has been used for the prevention and treatment of COVID-19 pandemic. Nurses are one of the important frontline healthcare professionals who work towards eliminating the pandemic.
Contribution in anti-COVID-19, mainly the nurses contributing in the following areas are health education, training service and support for general public and for individual and high-risk categories, nosocomial infection and prevention surveillance, providing care to patients with the COVID-19 who are in acute or critical condition, protection of patients with immune deficit or underlying disease such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, chronic illness or cancer.
Nurses in India caring for COVID-19 patients contribute to impressive recovery rate. WHO has acknowledged that the hard work and selfless service provided by India's healthcare workers, including nurses and midwives, have no doubt contributed to the country's impressive recovery rate of 31.15.
Choose a theme each year to celebrate International Nurses Day. The 2021 theme for nurses in India is Nurses, a voice to lead and a vision for future healthcare. Focus on the need for nurses to become more active and vocal in policy development and implementation. The resources and evidences deals with the critical issue of the time and highlights the many ways in which nurses are making an impact. This will focus on changes to innovation in nursing and how this will ultimately shape the future healthcare.
The rapid spread of COVID-19 poses a serious threat to human health and is impacting severely on public health, global communications, and economic systems worldwide. Nurses are key members of healthcare teams charged to control and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Moreover, nurses work in the front line providing direct care to individuals infected with COVID-19. Further effort is necessary to develop strategic recommendations and to integrate new knowledge into education. The immediate efforts to control and prevent COVID-19 and to care for those who are infected remain ongoing. So there is no area of the country in which nurses don't always carry presence. This is because they carry hope and happiness with them to all locations which become present. It is my wish to send a special greeting to all nurses for their hard work in the interest of protecting the health of our population by reaching out to help all our patients, especially for making our world have a more friendly to live. Thank you from the bottom of the heart for serving on the front line of this pandemic. Nurses, physicians, and all, they are the heart and soul of the war against COVID-19. Thank you.